waiting Crafty Treasure Farragut order. And on the outside is My Treasure moving up by the Rally's Farragut order. In between runners, Core Duo by the Rally's pass forward. Crafty Treasure, My Treasure, the favorite racing import Farragut's order. Racing in fifth by the Rally 6 is Diamond Luster, Dugu's favorite. And a long way back to Red Hot Water. Core Duo para running by the Rally's fast forward. Crafty Treasure closing in third. And watching in fourth is My Treasure, Farragut's order, Diamond Luster. As they race the last 500 fast forward, Core Duo, Crafty Treasure on the outside. My Treasure, Farragut's order, Diamond Luster, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Crafty Treasure from the outside fast forward. My Treasure, Farragut's order, Core Duo. Crafty Treasure by about 3 lengths now and nearing the finish line. Carlo Bermudez Raquel on Crafty Treasure. Fast forward, Farragut's order 3A, fourth, My Treasure. And for your Fentafecta, Core Duo.